Don't say hey there. I don't know why I just said that.
Hey there! Howdy, y'all! We up in the country. Give me some glitter.
Alright. Hey guys, it's Chrissy.
Hey guys, it's Shania.
We're doing a glitter video for you. I almost said glitter. Okay. We have started, so that's why we're all glittery.
Yeah.
But we forgot to do the intro, so I hope you like our glitter video. This is one of the glitters we got. Jumbo glitter. I had another one, but I forgot it. I got glitter 5. I did red, white, and blue. Pixie dust. This glitter gave me a unibrow. Can you see that?
I have glitter all over my legs, my hands, up here, and in my little arm cleavage. You can see it.
Look at my hand, ain't it pretty? I hope you enjoyed our glitter video, and if you want, if you want more, then like this video, give it a thumbs up, and
Subscribe us too.
if you want to see us all the time, then subscribe and comment below if you have any suggestions. Our Instagram's always below, our email's always below, and my Twitter's always below. So we had a lot of fun making this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.